An uneasy calm prevails over Muzaffarnagar after violent clashes that claimed at least 38 lives. The curfew was relaxed at around 10 a.m. this morning and will remain relaxed till 5 p.m. today. Meanwhile, the political blame game continues in the state. Here is Aditya with the latest.
I'm standing here at the Meenakshi Chowk in Muzaffarnagar. As you can see, there is deployment of the Uttar Pradesh police out here. There are also columns of the Indian Army surrounding this area. Yesterday, of course, the curfew was lifted, some relaxation finally for Muzaffarnagar for 2.5 hours. And today, after a brainstorming session between the government and the police forces, it has been finally decided that from 12 in the afternoon to 4 in the evening, the curfew would be finally lifted for at least 4 hours. And that is what the announcement is being made here. We have the senior police officer, Mr. Praveen Kumar, who is the SSP of this particular area. We will also have the district magistrate, Kaushal Raj Sharma, announcing it to the people out here that for 4 hours the curfew would be lifted. Remember, only in the city limits, not in the rural areas. So yet another relief for the people of Muzaffarnagar who are really frustrated by this entire curfew. But at the same time, curfew is not being lifted entirely. It will be only lifted for 4 hours. From Muzaffarnagar, video journalist Abhay, this is Aditya Raj Call for Times Now.
A detailed review meeting took place yesterday in the night and today in the morning, and we felt that the situations are getting normal, and therefore 4-hour relaxation can be possible. So it's a relaxation for 4 hours from 12 to 4 in the evening.
But the curfew will not be lifted entirely. The people are really frustrated. Any reports of incidents happening?
Again, we'll review it in the evening. However, there are no incidents. In last around 60 hours, there has been no communal violence in the district. It will be reviewed and positive decision is possible by late evening.
Just for record's sake, sir, I repeat, how many deaths have actually taken place, and any further investigations, any probe, any details about it?
So far, there are 34 deaths. There were 32 actually, but 2 bodies were found missing and they were later recovered from the farms and fields. It's still 34.
मैं किसी को दोष नहीं दूंगा, यूपी सरकार असफल रही है वगैरह, ये तो अब्रप्टली होते हैं, लेकिन पूरे 11 राज्यों को हमने अलर्ट कर दिया था कि ये दंगा फसाद होने की शक्यता है। और जैसे जैसे इलेक्शन नजदीक आएगा, वही कई पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज ये काम कर सकती है, इस प्रकार का हमने इंफॉर्मेशन दे दिया था। ये केवल एक ही राज्य नहीं है, कई और राज्यों में भी हो गया है, उसका नाम मैं नहीं लूंगा, लेकिन जो उत्तर प्रदेश में हो गया है उसके लिए हमने कंट्रोल करने के लिए काफी कोशिश की है। हमने सेंट्रल पैरामिलिट्री फोर्स 80 कंपनियां भेजी हैं और मिलिट्री भी भेजी है, डिफेंस के लोग भेजे हैं। अभी सिचुएशन थोड़ी अच्छी हो रही है, देहात में अभी भी ठीक नहीं है। हमने इंफॉर्मेशन ली है। आज मुजफ्फरनगर में सिटी में कर्फ्यू थोड़ा ढीला कर दिया था और भी करा दिया जाएगा।